Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a mystery beauty box from Next, and it's the Beauty Archive mystery box. It does tell you online what is inside it. So if you're really curious into finding out what's inside, you're able to do so. If you click the ingredients list or something like that, then it'll just bring up all the products that are inside the box. But the option's there. If you don't want to know, then don't have a look. It retails for £18 and it has a value of about £63, 62, 63. There's a makeup mystery box, and if you weren't already aware, Next do a ton of beauty boxes. They release beauty boxes all the time and there's lots of new ones on there. If there's anyone in particular you'd like to see me unbox, then yeah, let me know and I'll see what I can do. I'll pop a link to this one down below in my description, and I'll also pop a link to the whole page so you can have a look at all the other beauty boxes if you're interested, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So let's get on to seeing what's inside. Now, I did have a quick look when I went to buy it. I bought it over a week ago. Can't remember what's inside. I think there's a Lancome product and that is it. What I love about these boxes is that you've got a to and from. Very simple. So just a ready-made gift to give to someone, isn't it? A little sneak peek first. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, I think. Yeah, starting off, we've got Ritual of Jing, relaxing body scrub, salt and magnesium. And there's 125 grams here. This is a gorgeous smell. I really like this one. Can't remember what the scent is, but I know I love it. Oh, it's just so nice. It is so nice. It is one of my favorite ones. We do sleep sprays and things like that in this range, so it's more of a relaxation sort of scent. Oh, it's nice. It's so nice. These body scrubs are amazing. If you love your fake tan, obviously it'd be good if you don't like your fake tan, but I particularly love them when I want to prep my skin ready for a fake tan, and also when I want to try and remove a fake tan as well. It's always handy. So no, I'm quite chuffed with that. I love Rituals. A bit off topic, but I've just bought the new, how would you say it, session set from Rituals. I'll do a separate video on that. Oh, I can't wait to sniff it. I haven't opened it up yet because when you open it up it looks like a petal and I'm worried that I won't be able to get it back. So yeah, you'll see that soon. Then we've got Philip Kingsley, and this is Elastostyler, multitasking for all hair types, 5-in-1 treatment, 40 mils. Work through mid-lengths and ends to towel dry hair, blow dry and style as usual. I've used it once or twice, but it's not one that I tend to go for. I just don't. We got that anyway. I'll probably pass that on because I've probably got 1 or 2 in my hair drawer behind you. Then we got NARS. This is Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in shade Cruella. Right. These pencils are great. Nice and easy to apply. They feel nice on the skin as well. Long lasting, and because it's actual pencil, you can get right in there so you don't need a lip liner. But yeah, that's a pretty colour. I like that. Yeah, we got Lancome. I thought we did. This is Advanced Genifique Concentrate. Youth Activating Concentrate, and there's 7 mils here. So this is a serum. This is a nice serum. We see this a lot in Next beauty boxes. There is a lot of crossover in the Next beauty boxes. You do see familiar products, but because they release so many, I was assuming then that you're not going to get all of them, but you might do. There might be 1 or 2 of you that get every single one, which is great. There's like 30. But yeah, that is basically one of the beauty box favourites, and I think the Philip Kingsley is, I've seen that in there a lot as well. And we've got Urban Apothecary, and I think I've received this before as well. This is Oriental Noir Luxury Hand and Body Lotion. Love the packaging. I wonder if I've had this one, as in the scent. I'm sure. Why did I open it like that? Let's open it the proper way. Ooh. Oh. I just put so much. And let's put it up my arm. I'm not going to waste it. Smells so nice. Really nice. It's not strong. It's quite subtle. can't describe what it smells of. Does it say on the back here? No, no information whatsoever. Just luxury hand and body lotion. It feels really nice in skin, nice and soft, but yeah, that scent is lovely. It's really nice. Not overpowering, but just a nice fresh smell. Yeah, I like that. Might have had it before, can't remember. And there you go. So we got 5 items. So we got Urban Apothecary hand and body lotion. We've got a Philip Kingsley 5-in-1 styler for your hair. We've got the gorgeous Ritual of Jing. This is a body scrub from Rituals. We've got a Serum by Lancome. And we've got the red lipstick in, I forgot the name of it again, Cruella by NARS. It's a matte lip pencil then. So it retails for £18 and it has a value of around £60 to £63. Yeah, I think there's some nice things in there for a surprise box. The only thing I wouldn't use is this because I've already got one. And as I say, I don't really tend to gravitate towards it when I do use any hair products. But yeah, I think it's all right. Can you imagine if we got these products in, say, a glossy box or a Look Fantastic box? So Look Fantastic is £15, glossy box is £13.50. And they both have like a minimum value of £50, don't they? If we had all these in one of those boxes, I think it would be a sellout. Because we've got some decent sizes there. We've got some really great brands, Rituals and NARS. But yeah, a little bit of mix of everything. But as a standalone beauty box, if I didn't know what was inside it, would I buy it? I'm not too sure. I think it's because it contains a lot of products I see regularly, and especially in Next beauty boxes. But definitely worth the value. I think it's all right, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought one for yourself? If you got the makeup one, let me know what's inside, what your thoughts are about it, because yeah, I haven't had a look to see what's in that one. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.